cuties, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you who are new, I am Tricka of TrickaPlans, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back cuties. This is where the planning and the cuteness collide. On my channel, I will share my love for planning, all things cute, along with other aspects of my lifestyle and also some encouragement. I hope you find some inspiration here, and if you're not already subscribed to TrickaPlans #Cuteness Squad, what are you guys waiting on? All you simply have to do, tap the red subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so that you can stay updated on my uploads and live. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. I have here a Dollar Tree haul. This mesh bag is full of goodies from the Dollar Tree. This bag is actually from the Dollar Tree as well. It's a mesh tote bag, and I just told them to put all of my stuff in there from the Dollar Tree. So if you are interested in seeing my little mini Dollar Tree haul, then come on and let's see what I got from the DT. Okay cuties, so first up I have some artist canvas. I have 2 of these, and what I'm gonna do, I am making a friend of mine a little miniature war binder board so she can stick her prayers and stuff on here. I was telling her I had a space in my closet as my war room, like little board, and she didn't know what it was, and I was explaining it to her, and I told her it was a place that I go and just, you know, say my little prayers and put prayers for family, friends, and you know, whoever needs prayer. So I'm gonna make her one, and maybe once I make it I may show you guys. So I have 2 of each. I'm making one, but just in case someone else need one, and I already took the stuff out, so I'm just gonna put it back inside the bag as I go along. Okay, next up I have some bubble mailers, because I'm always sending out, you know, little gifts and tidbits on my Tricka's Treats. That's on Tuesdays at 8:30 live here on YouTube. Tuesdays 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I also have some regular mailers because I got some goodies that I'm sending out. And then I have these cute, look at these cute butterflies. I know Michelle is going to be gagging over these because me and her, oh, and Carolyn, because me, Carolyn, and Michelle love butterflies. And I think we're getting Lakeisha into butterflies as well. Those are my cuteness squads. Yeah, those are my girls. Okay, so I got a little phone stand. I had a ugly blue one, but then I found this one, so I don't know, if somebody want blue, you can have that other one, because I like this one and it matched my decor. So I got me a phone stand, and then I have these little luggage tags that it's a backpack tag, but I don't know which one I want, but of course I'm gonna have one for me and one for one of you guys who win my little giveaways on Tricka's Treats. And then look at these gorgeous butterflies. You know I had to get these, so I don't know, I may go back for some more. I just was kind of shocked to see those. So we have these gorgeous butterflies. Crafter Square in DT has some amazing stuff. Dollar Tree is stepping their game up. I mean, you guys need to check them out, seriously. I found some llama. Look at the llamas. And they just announced Go Wow is going to be in June of next year, still in Anaheim. So we still will get to go to Disney, and I got a lot of Disney kits and I can't wait. I'm so excited. I hope everyone is still going. I'm still pumped. Me and my girls, we are still going. So I got my llama to represent. So I got me some little, I got my llama washi. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I got me a little phone case for my phone. I mean, not a phone case, but some the tempered glass, because I did drop my phone and crack my glass. I mean, I cracked not the screen, but the little glass, so hopefully that'll be a good replacement. And I always get these little super glues because I'm always doing something, and I just keep them around just in case. Never know, might break a nail, might need to put it back on, might need to fix a little if I break something on my desk or something. So I just keep these around my desk. So I love these. And then y'all, look what Dollar Tree has. They have sticker books. You remember they had the other sticker books. They had like 3 or 4 sticker books. Now they have new sticker books. Okay, I'm gonna do the llama ones because in the, you know, since they have announced Go Wow once again. Hey, look at there. Isn't this cute? Look at those llamas. You guys, look. So we have Enjoy Your Life Llama Element, No Problem Llama. So I think those are super cute. Let me see. I hope you guys can see these pretty good. So this has 278 pieces, so you get a whole sticker book for $1. I mean, you cannot beat that. And then it has a to-do list, noted, morning, afternoon, evening, today's plan. Look at there. I mean, like, come on, y'all. Dollar Tree is doing it up. And then it has the full boxes. It has your circles. It has your to-do list. It has your date dots. I mean, Dollar Tree is stepping it up. And look, has your appointment. I mean, you can use this on your bigger planners, or you can use it on your bullet journals. You can use it on any planner. So be creative. Make it happen. Got your little work, vacation, complete, call, to-dos. I mean, I'm loving it. For $1, you can't beat it. So this is from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and look. Oh my gosh. This one has pandas, cats, and unicorns, spaceships, hello moon, space travel. Okay. And this one has the holographic foil and everything on it, and this has 292 pieces for $1. So you can't beat this. I mean, and it has nice vibrant colors. I love it. And you know I had to get more than one for gifts and for my girls. So yes, I have that. And then on to the next. So Dollar Tree is coming out with a faith section. They even have faith stickers, but I can't ever catch them. They have this is the Pray Without Ceasing, 1 Thessalonians 5:7. This is a notepad. The notepad is really nice. You can keep it on your desk, or you can stick it inside of one of your notebooks, and you can take notes. And y'all look, it has weekly tasks. Oh wow, this is nice. You can write your weekly tasks, and each one of them has a scripture on it. You cannot beat that. I mean, Dollar Tree is doing it up. Okay, so this is the Pray Without Ceasing notepad. And then they even have, okay, before I get to that, I got In Him was life, and the life was the light of men. John 1:4. This is another notepad. Let's see how this one looks. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. So this is a plain notepad with just lines. You guys can see that. Okay, so yeah. And all of them has scriptures in them. And since we're on the prayer section, because I keep going in there to try to find the prayer stickers, because she told me that the lady that works there, she knows me pretty well. So she says if she finds them, she'll call me. Which hope we have as an anchor of the soul. Hebrews 6:19. Yes, and this also have the scriptures to the bottom. I love this one. This matches my war room board because it actually has an anchor on it as well, and I just put all my prayers on there. I might give you guys a look at it. So these are new, and these are new. They have a whole line that's coming out, but I was plundering, looking through the little boxes, of course. They haven't even put them all out yet. See, I was plundering. They ain't even poke holes in none of the stuff yet. So we have another notepad, and I got it because I love floral. Look at there. This floral is nice. Live life in full bloom. Isn't that floral beautiful? Michelle is gonna love that. I know we have our floral lovers, and this is a journal. I have a thing for journals. My mom took my last journal, so I had to get me another one. She always taking my journals, but it's okay. She's mom, she can have it. Live life in full bloom. So this it's a collection, and she said they got the pins and stickers. That's also, she said she thinks stickers come with this as well. So that's that, and this is new from the Dollar Tree. What do you want, Princey? And this is the sticky notepad. This is so pretty, y'all. I love it. So yeah, sticks pretty well. Let's see how. Okay. Yeah, right. You can write on them pretty good too. Okay, so that is my little Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoy seeing some of the goodies Dollar Tree has to offer. I also had some Mickey Mouse stuff, but Jameer already took it. He went crazy. They have some new crayons and stickers and all kind of stuff. They cups and everything. So I couldn't show that, but he has that, and if he let me show it a little later in another haul, then I'll hook you guys up with that. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to stay updated on my videos and my lives. Simply join the family over here at TrickaPlans, #Cuteness Squad, by tapping that red subscribe button and also hitting that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I come on. And give your girl a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day. Toodles.